and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how to fix WhatsApp opening and then closing automatically. So this happens when your application is full of cached images and some files. In order to clear this out, first of all, let's start with updating your app. Head over to your Play Store and then search for WhatsApp. If you see update, select update. At times when your application is not updated, it will also close automatically because it is using the older version. So you have to give it a new version by updating your app. Second, head over to your settings, scroll below and select apps. Here also, go ahead, search for WhatsApp and open it. Now in here, scroll below, select storage, clear the cache. Now if you have already backed up your WhatsApp, I also recommend you to clear the data. So go ahead, select clear data and delete it. But don't forget to back it up before you delete the data, as it will remove your account and you're going to have to start again. Now lastly, select force stop and then OK. Go ahead, restart your device, launch your WhatsApp, and this will fix your problem.